Hey guys, check it out. We just bought a mount. It is a Yoke mount. We got it from Sporty's Pilot Shop, and it is the robust universal iPad Yoke mount. Came in just a big bag. Comes with all the parts you need. There are 3 different size tabs. There's little end pieces, screws. It had this stuff in there. I do not think it actually goes to this Yoke mount, so we're just going to push those to the side. But I started putting it together a little bit to see what fits the best, and we will show you what we got here. So we're going to take 2 of the smaller ones. On this guy here, it's got a little spring action deal there that holds the iPad. Pretty easy to assemble. Use 2 little ones. We're going to use 2 of the bigger ones. On the back, well, here, we'll show you this part. iPad in, pull it down. Holds it pretty good. That is an iPad Mini 5. It goes like that. Okay, just like that. This little clamp, spin out, clip it on there, clip this side of that, and then tighten it down. And that's how you can adjust how you want it to sit. There you go, that's all there is to it. This guy can clamp all the way down to a ½ inch, it says. Probably even do more than that. Try something here. There you go. Clamps down to as small as that screwdriver there, and can go all the way up to a 2-inch yoke. So should fit in the Cessna's just fine. And that is what I'm flying in. Oh yeah, there you go. So The reviews on it are super good, and nobody has had an issue really with the iPad falling out. One nice thing is you can do landscape or portrait mode when it's sitting on the yoke. So yeah, after my next flight I will report back on how good it works. Stay tuned. Hey guys, just wanted to show a quick little update. The robust yoke mount works pretty well on the honeycomb flight yoke here. Works just fine. Doesn't slip, doesn't move. Four flights right there. Pretty sure I have it tilted as far back up as it goes. Okay, that is perfect. That's exactly what I was hoping for. It is out of the way. I can still, from my head point of view, I can still see my gauges. So, here on the fence about it, I would definitely pick one up, and I will give a review when I get up in the air next and we have it in a real plane.